Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Inflammatory carcinoma of the breast. Inflammatory breast carcinoma is also called as mastitis carcinomatosa. Now, according to inflammatory breast carcinoma, it corresponds to stage 3B, and this accounts for less than 3% of breast carcinoma. Inflammatory breast carcinoma is associated with skin changes, especially there is skin changes of brawny induration is seen with erythema with a raised edge is also seen. Brawny induration with erythema with raised edge and edema is seen. And all these skin changes are seen in more than 33% of skin of breast. Then pathology of the inflammatory breast carcinoma. So inflammatory breast carcinoma mainly occurs So it mainly occurs due to the permeation of the dermal lymphatics with cancer cells. Even the dermal lymphatics, even the skin also gets infected, not infected, gets infiltrated with the carcinoma or tumor cells. So if you do a skin biopsy in these patients, then you will see that there is permeation of the dermal lymphatics or dermal lymph vessels are seen by the cancer cells. There is infiltration of dermal lymph vessels by the cancer cells, and this dermal lymphatic involvement is responsible for the brawny induration and edema. Sometimes this inflammatory breast carcinoma is associated with breast mass. Then clinical features. In the clinical features, patient with inflammatory breast carcinoma, she presents with, obviously there are skin changes are seen, same skin changes like brawny indurations, erythema with raised edge and edema. All these are seen in more than 33% of the patients. Next, along with that, in around 75% of the patients might present with palpable axillary lymphadenopathy, and also around 25% of the patients may be diagnosed with distant metastasis. Then, treatment of inflammatory breast carcinoma. So, in the treatment of this inflammatory breast carcinoma, so in this we follow a multimodal approach. Multimodal approach is followed. That is, in the multimodal approach, we do neoadjuvant chemotherapy is given, followed by mastectomy, followed by radiotherapy is given with or without hormonal therapy. So this is multimodal approach. That means we give chemotherapy, we give surgery, we do radiotherapy also. So here, where do we give radiotherapy? The chest wall, supraclavicular lymph nodes, because involvement of supraclavicular lymph nodes is common. Even internal mammary lymph nodes may also be involved. So, chest wall, supraclavicular lymph nodes, internal mammary, and axillary lymph nodes. All these will receive an adjuvant radiotherapy also. So, when you do this multimodality approach for inflammatory breast carcinoma, for this the 5-year survival rate is around, after doing all this, the 5-year survival rate is around 30%.
thank you and thank you for watching.